If you were watching this video, you were probably wondering, what is pre-foreclosure or notice of default? How much time do I have to get current on my monthly mortgage payments? Or what are my options, frankly? Do I have any options? So if you or someone that you know are dealing with these issues, you are watching the right video. So you're going to want to stick around until the end, as I believe we will be able to give you some clear action steps forward and some, at a minimum, some sound advice on what to do from here. My name is Chris Lawrence, and I'm the owner of Helping Homes, which is a small local home buying company right here in Rochester that purchases a few houses every month and works with sellers in pre-foreclosure, foreclosure, and frankly everything in between. So what is pre-foreclosure in Rochester, New York? Many homeowners across America, and more specifically in Rochester, New York, are facing difficulties in making their monthly payments due to COVID-19 and the recent pandemic. So when a homeowner misses 3 to 6 months of mortgage payments, the lending institution will issue a warning notifying the homeowner to pay, or frankly they'll lose their home. This period is known as pre-foreclosure. Banks and mortgage lenders typically provide 3 months for the homeowner to become current on their payments. Of course, this can vary by bank and situation, and depending on where you live, and like I mentioned, every bank is a little bit different. So these are just some guidelines to kind of give you a little advice. So if a homeowner fails to make the necessary payments, the bank will foreclose on the home, assuming ownership, and evict the homeowner. Thankfully, during this stage of pre-foreclosure, a mortgage holder has the opportunity to take advantage of several options to prevent losing their home. So if you are behind on mortgage payments, you are likely to receive a notice of default either by mail or email from your mortgage lender or bank. This document will state that you have not made mortgage payments for the last 90 to 180 days. So it's important not to panic. You have some time, but again, you want to act and move along this process very diligently. So you have, as I mentioned, you have options that can delay or even prevent losing your home. If your mortgage is above water, meaning you have equity in your house, you may be able to refinance your mortgage, receiving a lower monthly payment. So you may want to check with your local Rochester mortgage brokers or contact us, as we work with reputable banks all across Rochester. So you may be another option, you may be able to sell your house to a real estate investor that's reputable in Rochester, like Helping Homes, my company, using, we potentially could use cash to acquire to pay back your monthly payments and get you current on your mortgage to get you out from underneath your house, or we can, frankly, work with the banks to potentially do what's called a short sale. So you or we can work together to contact the bank and see if short sale is an option. In a short sale, you sell your home for less than what it's worth, and the bank will take a loss, and frankly, sometimes it's a tax write-off. And in some short sales, you may still be required to pay off the difference to the bank if the house doesn't sell for what is owed on the loan. You may be able to declare bankruptcy, which can buy you time to pay off your debt. Bankruptcy will remain on your credit report for years and can cause significant damage. So lenders are very aware of the widespread financial troubles across the country, and they many times are willing to work with the borrower to create a win-win situation. So if you're honest and communicate with your lender, you'll often find that there's options that will allow you to remain in your home or at least salvage your credit score. Because a foreclosure can negatively affect your credit score by 200 to 400 points and potentially more, and can prevent you from obtaining a loan of any sort for 5 to 7 years. So be very diligent if you receive a notice of default from your lender, and act very quickly. Again, you have time, but time is of the essence. But if you're not able to find a solution with working with your lender directly with them, contact us and we may be able to help. So here are just a few ways that we could help you if you're in pre-foreclosure. We can potentially help with a short sale, as we do this a number of these throughout the years and are very well versed in this process. So A short sale, depending on your situation, could be an option. As mentioned before, we can buy your Rochester area house. We buy houses in Rochester and would love to, make you an all-cash offer if that would fit for your situation. Again, we're not a good fit for everyone from a cash offer perspective, but it may work for your situation. And also you can, we might not buy your house, but you can also feel free to give us a call, ask questions, and we can provide you with free guidance and resources so you can make a well-educated decision. This costs you nothing, and there's absolutely no pressure or no obligations, just free guidance, without a catch. If you're in the pre-foreclosure stage, you've still got time to fix this current situation. Just connect with your bank to see if they're willing to work with you, or contact us directly if you'd like to see if we can buy your house for you, or to help you in any step of this process to free you from potential pre-foreclosure, foreclosure, or whatever that looks like. So certainly fill out the form on our website, or feel free to give us a call. And again, whatever way we can help, if we're a good fit, whether that's purchasing your house, listing your house on the market, doing a short sale, or just giving you some guidance, we'd love to help. And hopefully you found this video helpful. Hope to talk to you on the inside.